Hi, gentlemen. I'm at your Cengage Instructor Center. Over here's your home button. This you can search for any of our titles to add. I've added some books, and some of you already had things in under my library. These are the two things that I've added. If you click on the title, that will take you to an ebook right away. And here's your resources, so your PowerPoints, test banks, etc. Going back to this margin, I'm going to click on the Courses tab. And these were courses that were already in Frank's, but here are the ones I've made for each of you. So this is going to be a really quick look at it. You can go into your own and look at it as much as you would like and explore. So this is called MindTap, and this is our learning path. And it's similar for every chapter. As we look at it, realize it's very customizable. Things can be for grade, for practice, hidden, whatever. So under Learn It, we have our ebook, and then there's a video. And so the video will be anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes long. Students would listen about that certain concept. Then when the concept is done, in this case after 3 minutes, then they'll answer some questions. Very basic, easy thing to do. Here is just another written activity or reading activity for them. Study It's are just the PowerPoints and flashcards to learn the terms. And then under the Apply It, we'll have different types of activities. So here is just to test your understanding on some things. This will have a variety of problem types, picking out certain things. You might be doing some matching, multiple choice. Just reviewing what they have learned in the reading. The second one is called Make a Decision, and just as that, you read a case, and then it's going to ask you questions about the case and take you through steps. Lastly, here's just a multiple choice quiz on the reading, and here's a reflection activity. So it doesn't matter what chapter you look at, it will do those things. So going back to the other book, and now I'm going to look at our computer applications. And this particular MindTap covers all of Microsoft Office, so I've hidden everything except the Excel and the Access things. So there's more in here than you'll ever use, but we'll go to a certain module, say module 3. Again, it's set up similar for all of them. So under Learn It, you're going to read about it. The next thing is a textbook project. So this is an optional activity, but students do a step-by-step problem where the book tells them exactly what to do. Step 1, do it. Step 2, do it, and so on. Then our training, and this is one of the more important things I think for most people who use this. So the training is going to do a few different things. It will teach them the tasks that are outlined for that particular unit. All right. So they can read about it. They can observe it by watching it in a video. They can do it by practice. And practice means the software will tell them, do step 1. And then it makes you do step 1 before you can go on. And then apply it. It's just like practice, only it's completely open-ended. So very good way for students to review the tasks. Notice there's 16 tasks in this particular module. And if I click up here, I can see what tasks are all covered. Then, after they've kind of learned the tasks and the things that they need to do, then we do some real work. So there's a number of projects here that students can go through and do. And again, I'd work with you to decide which projects are the most appropriate for your course. The software will correct it. It keeps kids from cheating. And it does a variety of things as far as giving very good feedback for your students. So that is a really down and dirty look at it. Hopefully you can go on and explore it. Let me know what you think, what questions you have, and how I can be of assistance. Thank you again for your time and consideration.